Yep. So you get to open a present a week early. What is it? What is it? He got you a wooden nutcracker and you're that excited for a nutcracker? You better open it.
All the time.
I know you love getting a nutcracker. Well, wait, what's behind the nutcracker? Uh-oh, there's paper. Jordan, you should probably read the paper that's behind the nutcracker.
Okay.
What does it mean? Did you see what date it is on the ticket? Those are tickets to go see it. What's the date?
I think it's 35.
No. Let's look. It's today. What are you?
I watch the Nutcracker all the time. I always want a Nutcracker. I always want to see